Good morning. Today we will be doing module 3 of organization behavior, leadership and group dynamics. I'm Dr. Shikha Kapoor, Professor AIBS. We'll be talking about conflict management today. Now, what do you understand by conflict management? What do you understand by conflict? When there is a contest or a struggle between people who are opposing the needs, idea, belief, value, and goals. So, conflict management is a resolution. Okay, it is resolving the conflict. When we talk about the conflict, it is something to be done with the misunderstanding, the values and the goal conflicts are there, fight over resources are there, work methods are there, authority issues, personality clashes, it can be anything. So, in an organization, people are different, their personalities are different, their working styles are different. So, conflicts can arise. Now, the role of management is how to resolve these conflicts. So, there are different type of conflict. We talk about the task conflict, which relates to the content and the goal of the organization, which is from low to moderate level. There is a relationship with focus on the interpersonal relations, which is very high level, the process that relates to how the work gets done, that is low level. Now, if we talk about the process, there are different stages, 5 stages of conflict management, uh, which comes here. That is a potential opposition or incapability level is there, where conditions, communication, structure, personnel, these can be the problem. Then the cognition and the personalization, the perceived conflict and the felt. You perceive that there's a problem or there's a feeling or it is the intention that is competing, collaborating, compromising, avoidance, or it can be behavioral, or we have to see the outcome of this. So, overt conflict, the party's behavior, so increase group performance or decrease group performance is there. That has to be seen. So transitions in the conflict thought, we see the traditional view of conflict, the conflict resulted from the poor communication lack. There's a miscommunication also, that is also there is a problem in conflict, or lack of openness or failure to respond. So human relations view of conflict are different. Interactionalist view of conflicts are different. Now, when the conflict is there, usually if you say in an organization, the conflicts usually arise between the workers and the management. The conflict can be due to remuneration, working condition, work culture, it can be anything. Now, if we talk about negotiation, so negotiation in which two or more parties exchange goods or services and attempt to agree on the exchange rate of them. So BATNA, that is the best alternative to the negotiated agreement, to see the lowest acceptable value to an individual for a negotiated agreement. The marketing strategies can be distributive bargaining or integrative bargaining for win-lose situation or win-win situation. When we talk about the negotiation process, so preparing and planning, definition of ground rules, what are the ground rules, clarification, justification, bargaining and problem solving, closure and implementation is there. When we are talking about the issues in negotiation, the role of moods and personalities are different because the trades of negotiations are different. Now there is gender differentiation in the negotiation also, women negotiation, men and women negotiating for the power basis of the same negotiating style, the women attitudes towards negotiation, or it can be a third party negotiation when two parties they cannot resolve the conflict, then there is a third party mediation which occurs, that is the mediator, a person who comes in between and tries to resolve the problem with giving some suggestions and alternative, or it can be an arbitrator, a third party to a negotiation, or a conciliation, a conciliator, a trusted third party who provides an informal communication, or it can be a consultant. So I was in one company, I was a part and parcel of the third party negotiation where I went as a consultant, where there was a strike which was going between the management and the workers were all with the red jhanda, that is the C2 union coming up play. So I was a consultant and a negotiator, a mediator in between to resolve the problem. This was long back, where this was my first trial with the negotiation outside my company where I worked. So that is what between conflict, negotiation, the process of negotiation. So thank you for now.